men working on the chain gang. Hey, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. The development known as Santa Luz, Sacred Light, which is perfect because that evokes Christmas, the three wise men going across the desert following the sacred light. But what we're going to do today is the first try-on and actual startup of the Alpinestars TechAir 5 in association with the V4 airflow jacket. Don't try to say that on your own, you'll break a jaw. But in any case, it's charged up. I charged it up overnight, and we're now going to learn how to hook up the software, how to energize the system, and how to deploy it so that when we go on a ride, what all that looks like. And we're also going to see how it feels on the bike in a static position anyway, compared to other type motorcycle jackets. So stand by. This will be an interesting few moments. Hope you get a little bit out of this. Okay, I've reversed the jacket. Here's the charging cable connected to the jacket via the Alpinestars charging adapter. And you can tell it's hooked up because there's a blue LED at the top of the connector that puts it on. So I'm going to remove this. I like the fact that it's kind of accessible. I'm going to remove that and put that aside for the moment. Okay, my jacket has been fully charged overnight using the charging system that it came with. 3 LEDs are illuminated, green, amber, and red. And supposedly this upper latch has a magnetic attachment point here. And when you attach these and you're wearing the jacket, it knows that you're ready to get serious. So that's going to be our next step. We're going to just try it in the garage here. Okay, the system status is now shown on the TechAir app on my smartphone, and it says 100% charged. Trying to keep my fingers out of the way here. Status is connected, riding mode is street, and it shows here to push a button to do the start my ride. Now there are other options down at the bottom, my ride, profile, and settings. We'll take a look at those in just a moment. The system is on the charger and all 3 LEDs are illuminated. It indicates that it's fully charged, and you have what the manual claims is 8 hours of riding time in the vest, fully charged. Now we put the system on, and by the way, as that goes down, it goes down to from 3 to 2, ultimately to 1 LED. Now I'm going to put the system on. When you zip it up and you attach the Velcro latch across the top, that tells the system that it's on a person and is ready to engage. So stand by, I'm going to try and accomplish that here. Once again, this zipper engagement system is pretty interesting. So nothing on the LEDs at the moment. Now what you do is you align this up using the magnets, puts them together like that. Kind of nice actually. And then we take it all the way to the top, and then we attach. Now it's going through a system check. I'll see if I can't zoom in on that. And that takes all of about 4 seconds. And now we're down to a green LED, which indicates that the system is ready to go riding. So that's pretty cool. I'm set and ready to go according to the LED. Now I can see this on the jacket, and when I look at the app, it says system on, And that yellow button there indicates that the system is ready to get on a motorcycle and go riding. Pretty interesting. That's certainly a good way to let the rider know that you're hooked up and ready to go. And it says slide down to turn off the system. So I can turn it off here, and I have to confirm the action by entering a code. Not sure if that's going to show up. And I'm going to cancel it in this case. So they do that in case that you're just walking around off of the bike, but still wearing the jacket and everything, so you won't accidentally set it off. It is possible under some certain scenarios, let's say you're going upstairs, that you could fall down the stairs, people do, and set the system off. So you don't want that to happen. So let me open up my phone here. So I'm going to hit cancel, and the system remains on. So it's essentially ready to go riding on the motorcycle right now. All right, and with the My Ride, what it will do is it will monitor your ride, and using the GPS system in your phone and the feedback from the jacket, it will put together your ride and I believe superimpose it over a map and other details like that. So kind of a cool integrated approach with the Alpinestars TechAir 5. Now I'm going to put my jacket over the top of this and see how I feel with the whole ensemble on. So bear with me, we're going to do that next. Okay, here's the airflow jacket. Now the airflow jacket incorporates panels that are designed to stretch in the effect of an airbag deployment and accommodate the full expansion of the airbag. My curiosity is, have I ordered a jacket that is large enough for me individually and still will operate correctly with the system? So bear with me, this is the boring part. We're going to put it on here and put it on. So this would be my riding configuration. So I've zipped up the sleeves and everything. This would be my riding configuration. Now it's a nice slim fit. It would work about right on the motorcycle, I think. I'm going to look at the phone here, and it still shows with the jacket over the top that the system is on. Theoretically, I'm bulletproof. Theoretically. You know how that goes. So I'm going to do a flip around here. It's noticeable that I'm wearing the gear. I can feel 2 layers on. Do I feel overly bulky? I don't feel overly bulky. I feel just like I've got a relatively tight-fitting motorcycle jacket on with armor underneath it, back protector, and certainly would feel this way with a chest protector on the front of it. Let's try it on the motorcycle and see how it feels when I'm sitting on the bike. Okay, so how does it feel on the bike? Let's throw a leg over Tony Thunder here and see how it feels. It feels okay. I would say just okay. Is it as comfortable as a standard motorcycle jacket with normal flex armor? No, it is not. It really isn't. But is it uncomfortable? Could you not ride in this? You certainly could ride in this. Now this, Aprilia, of course, is a pretty sporty riding position. Your arms are pre-curved here with the jacket. Feels okay, and it doesn't feel bad. The collar comes up a little bit high on me. I can go a little more with the jacket. I think that on a warm summer day, this could be a little on the warm side, a couple layers there, as is, I think, any dual layer garment that you're going to put on. But no, it's doable, and you've got that degree of safety, of course, with the air jacket. So that's the first try on, the startup, and the software setup to get it going. I'll write a little note about all this, what I went through to set it up and everything, and add that at the bottom of this video. But I wanted to share first setup with the app, the TechAir app, trying on the vest, seeing if it would start, and then putting the jacket, the V4 airflow jacket over the top of it. And yeah, you could ride like this, and you feel nice and sporty. Watch out, Marquez. Talk to you later.